student. Today is Saturday and again you are ready to join your SST class. Dear student, myself Namita. Today again I will provide you some objective based question and answer from chapter 11, that is direction. So student, see the picture of mountains and this is the globe. On the globe, you will see different countries and ocean from the world. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Number one is we commonly use the word left, right and behind for direction. The answer is right. Number two, the invention of compass has made it easy for everyone to understand direction. The answer is compass. Number 3. The sun rises in the morning in the east. Answer is east. Number 4. North direction is opposite to south. Answer is south. Number 5. The hand of a compass always point to north. Answer is hand. Student, here you can see the fill in the blanks in the clear manner because I have underlined all the word with the different colors. So I am sure you have not any confusion. Now you can see B. Tick the correct option. In this tick the correct option, I have given you the 3 answers and I have colored the correct answer in different color. Number 1. What help us to reach your destination without getting lost? A is watch, B is direction and C is calendar. Obviously your answer is B, direction. Number 2. In which direction does the sun set in the evening? 3 directions are given, west, south and north, and your answer is west. Now please come to question number 3. The old Chinese invention that help us to locate direction is a 3 options are given, protractor, scale and compass. Answer is compass. Question number 4. If you are going from Gujarat to Assam, then in which direction are you traveling? Answer is west to east. But 3 options are given here. East to west, north to east and C is west to east. The answer is west to east. Now come to match the following. I have written the answer in front of the questions. Sun rises in east. Sunset in west. Cardinal direction are east, west, north and south. Sailors, north star. Compass, direction. Now come to value based questions. Value based questions are here on your screen. Number A. Your school has an artwork exhibition. You are on duty at the reception to guide the parents. What you will do? Number 1. What will be your 2 main responsibility? Answer number 1 is to locate them to the proper place of exhibition. Number 2, solve their problems or their inquiries. Number B, which 2 qualities will help you to perform your duties properly? Number 1 is confidence level and number 2 is spoken capacity. If you have spoken capacity, then you can guide them to the proper place or you can give them proper answer according to their questions. And confidence level. If you have confidence level, then you can face them and you can answer them or you can satisfy them. So student, now the chapter is finished. I have finished your chapters. I have taken 4 or 5 days to finishing the chapter direction. I am sure you all have learned it in a proper way and I have explained you everything. I have explained you the hard words, the question answer, the fill in the blanks, match the following, true and false. Nothing is impossible things from the chapter. I have given you all the materials from the chapter So I am sure you have not any confusion in this chapter. I have teach you properly. I have teach you one by one page of the chapter. So I am sure you have not confusion. Sorry student, I think that some students are not following the lectures because you need a Hindi support from me. So sorry student, I could not provide you Hindi lecture in this video or in your SST class. So you have to listen the video many times and you will follow my lectures. I have used very simple words and language to explain you. So I am sure you have not any confusion. If you have any confusion, please ask me in your SST class or in your special groups. So students, please see the homework. Number 1 is learn CW. Number 2, copy down CW in notebook. Number 3, stick picture of mountain and ocean. Now student, I am finishing the chapter and again we will meet you in next week to join the SST class. So students, be ready for your next class. Your next class is coming Wednesday and I am sure that you will jot it all the things in your CW copy in a proper way and in a proper manner. Student, one thing I want to say you that the attendance is very few, so I am unhappy and unsatisfied from your side. So please be punctual and do your work carefully. SST is also interesting chapter, so student, please take interest in this subject also. So student, again thank you and goodbye.